Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I will be doing my first ever double Beyblade burst unboxing and my first ever Beyblade burst bays in general. So I will be unboxing Chain Kerbeus, Hydra Kerbeus, and Fierce Basilisk. Let's get the party started. Alrighty. How do I open this thing? I've got a long history of not trusting Hasbro with Beyblades because ever since the Metal Fusion series, they've just completely given up on quality. Interesting how the parts come out. So, I'm opening the 2-pack first. I'll do a test spin on them after I put them together. Well, I may need to unbox a Chain Kerbeus before I do that, because Chain Kerbeus has my burst launcher. Alright, so let's see here. How do I put Fierce Basilisk together? Sorry, my phone camera quality is so crappy. Alright, so there's Basilisk. Man, I have never owned a Beyblade Burst Bay in my life, so I have no idea what I've got to do. Let me see. I got the right way up. Is there more parts? This is going to be a long video, my dudes. I have absolutely no idea how Beyblade Burst Beyblades work, because I have never watched the anime or anything. Alright, so I think I've got Fierce Basilisk put together. Assuming that's some sort of slope. Where's this other piece on the box, though? This other metal piece. Am I missing pieces or something? That's confusing. Alright, so let's get Hydra Kerbeus all set up. Okay, something's very strange. Where's this gravity ring, or whatever the heck it is? Hydra Kerbeus is what? A balance type. Interesting looking bottom piece. Alright, so I am very confused about what's going on the back here, but what the heck? I guess it already comes with the other piece attached. Man, oh man. It's gonna take me a minute to adjust to the series since I've never watched it or played with any of them. I know some friends who have had these types of bays, but I never much cared for them. Alright, let's get the one I'm most excited to unbox open. Chain Kerbeus. I like the color, it's a defense type. And I love my defense type and stamina bays. Alrighty. Get the bay put together. Oh yeah, that's a sick looking bay right there. How is this one gonna work? Alright, let's give each of them a test spin. Now I got the launcher. Man, it has been so long since I've used a legit ripcord launcher. Alright, let's try out Chain Kerbeus. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh wow, that's a cool bag. Camera's falling a little bit. Whatever. Come on, stay up. I think Chain Kerbeus is my favorite so far. Seems to have a very nice defensive stance. Very cool. Alright, let's try out Hydra Kerbeus. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh, my camera quality is lacking tonight. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna get a new camera soon to upload YouTube videos. Used to have an iPad, but no longer. Alright. Now let's try out the sick looking fierce Basilisk. Would it even get on the launcher? Is it even a right spinning bay? Three, two, one, go shoot! That sucked. I guess it's a left spinner. Yeah, it's a left spinner. Come on, man. This little perch I have on my phone sucks. Yeah, Fierce Basilisk seems cool. So you get in its stamina stance. I like it. Also, sorry if I spent most of the video just complaining about putting the bays together. Alright. Let's try Chain Kerbeus versus Fierce Basilisk. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Three, two, one, go shoot! Will it be a sleep out? Or one burst? Oh wow. I like Fierce Basilisk so far. It's got the edge on stamina. Alrighty. Let's try Hydra Kerbeus versus Fierce Basilisk. Yeah, Fierce Basilisk. Man, it's crazy. I bought a left spinning Beyblade. Had zero clue that it was a left spinning Beyblade. I really need to watch the anime. Give it a try. Come on, get on the launcher, man. I have a bad feeling Kerbeus is gonna burst. Oh wow, go Kerbeus. Dang. Okay, so battling with burst bays is an interesting experience. Now, let's try Fierce Basilisk, which is my favorite, against a Metal Fight Zero G Bay before I conclude this video. Alright, where's my Gladiator Bahamdia? There it is. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Just got this Gladiator Bahamdia from a nice Beyblade seller who sells legit Takara Tony bays. Very nice. But couldn't beat Gladiator Bahamdia. Alright, let's try Gladiator Bahamdia against Chain Kerbeus. The battle of the balance types. Apparently, attack types are balance types now. No lie though, Chain Kerbeus does have good balance. Ooh. I think Bahamdia almost bursted him. Alright. Last Metal Fight test battle. Chain Kerbeus against Gladiator Bahamdia. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh man, I forgot what Bahamdia's special move is. Yeah, these burst bays are just getting crushed. But still very cool. Before I end this video, I will just spin our defense type Kerbeus one more time. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! I think Beyblade Burst is an interesting series. It does not hold a candle to Metal Fight, but wow, it just bursted in my hand. I like it so far. Now, hopefully, these don't fall apart easily like the Beyblades I've gotten in the past from Hasbro. Metal Fight, Metal Fusion, Metal Masters, Metal Fury. But these are very cool and a very welcome addition to the collection. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry that it was just like 15 minutes of me talking and whatnot, but this was my first experience with Beyblade Burst Bays, and I actually think they're kind of cool. I may actually try to indulge in some Takara Tomy Burst Bays at some point too. We'll see. Anyway, please like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Cursed Blader GT out.